Hey team, I want to share a resource that I found that is called EquatIO that I think will be very helpful to combine with a Jamboard. So the first thing you need to do is download the extension so you can go to the Chrome Web Store, search for EquatIO. The I and the O are uppercase. And so the extension is going to show right here, which is EquatIO Math Made Digital. Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to add the extension. Once already added the extension, so once the extension is added to your Google Chrome, you can find it here on the top right corner where it says extension. I pinned the extension to my Google Chrome, so I have it already here. Now, the great thing about this application or this extension is that it works with Google Docs. And so one of the challenges that we all are facing is like how to type problems or how to make problems for students to practice. And I think this is a really easy solution that you can use in combination with Jamboard. So let me show you what it looks like. So once you have your extension here, you click on the extension and you see this board at the bottom, which basically includes all of the applications or all of the gadgets that this extension comes with. So let's say that I'm having my students, I want to do an exit ticket for my students, and this is an Algebra 1 exit ticket. And I have the option to, I have all these like really cool equation editor, I have like this graph editor, I have like a handwriting recognition, I have a speech input, and I'll show you what these things do later. But like, let's say that I want to dictate the problem, so I can basically do it this way. Or I can also do it by using the handwriting option. So let me show you exactly what it looks like. So let's say the problem is, or the problem says, or I want my students to tell me the following. What is the value of x of the following for the following equation? Right, so that's my question. Now, sometimes it gets like really difficult to type all those equations. Well, the reason why I think EquatIO is like so helpful is because I can write the equation. So let's say my equation is 4x plus 3. Oh, notice how it didn't recognize my number. So plus 3. I'm gonna go ahead and undo that. Plus 3 equals 2x minus 5. And as you can see over here on the right side, the equation was created for me. And so like once I'm done with this, all I have to do is click insert math. And voila, you can see right here the problem. It's ready for me. Like the students can now solve this problem. Now, the reason why I think this is a good extension to combine with Jamboard is because I can copy this. And as you can see, I already have my Jamboard here set up for students to work with. And all I have to do is click Control V. And my equation, or my problem, sorry, has been posted for students to solve. And as you know, with Jamboard now students can show their work. And this is a great source to collect like student data. And also it's a really easy process to do if you're creating your equations with EquatIO and then posting them into Jamboard. And so I hope this extension is helpful for all of you. Now, one thing that I did want to show before is, before I end this video, is that there are some things called STEM tools, which if you're a science teacher, you can have a periodic table, which If you need a calculator, if you're modeling for students, like if you're creating your videos for students, you can have a calculator where you can show them how to do the problem with the calculator. And then also, like there's a molecular viewer, like this is, if you're teaching probably chemistry. Um, but yeah, this is a really good extension. If you have any questions, like please let me know so I can try to address those questions. Thank you.